Hello everyone. I'm Nicole. I'm going to explain Python program that calculates the Laplace transform of a periodic signal representing network traffic behavior. First, the program imports the SymPy library for symbolic mathematics. Next, the symbolic variable t, s, and t are defined. T represent time, s represent the Laplace variable, capital T represent the period of signal. Then the program defines the signal during one period as f of t equal to t. This means the signal increase linearly with time within one period. To compute the Laplace transform of a periodic signal, the program uses the formula f of s slash fraction, and this given formula. The program integrates the function multiplied by the exponential term from 0 to t and divide the result by 1. After calculating the transform, the simplify function is used to reduce the expression into a simpler mathematical form. Finally, the program prints the given periodic signal, the Laplace transform result. This method is useful for analyzing periodic data signals such as network traffic, communication signal, repeated system inputs. Thank you.